We are learning to create answer buzzers using Microbit Kit today. Click on New Project and type Activity 3 Answer Buzzers, then click on Create button.
For this program, we don't need our default OnStart or Forever blocks, so we can delete them from the workspace by dragging them over to the toolbox. Let's start by showing a happy face when we press button A on the Microbit. Open the Input toolbox drawer and drag an On button A pressed block onto your workspace. Now, whatever code we put inside this block will run when button A is pressed. Open the Basic toolbox drawer and drag a Show Icon block into On button A pressed. In the Show Icon block, let's click to select a happy face emoji. Now let's test this in our Microbit simulator by pressing button A on the left-hand side here. Great! You can see that our happy face icon appears.